This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator 22 Easy Mode. Easy Mode is perfect for new players, offering a gentle introduction to farming. You start with a fully equipped farm, including fields ready for cultivation and a good amount of money. This setup allows you to learn the game mechanics without immediate financial pressure, making your initial experience smooth and enjoyable. It's all about getting comfortable with the basics. Your first step is to familiarize yourself with your starting farm. Take a moment to look at your fields, buildings, and initial machinery. You'll have a generous starting budget, often around $100,000, which is plenty for early investments. Prioritize buying any small tools you might need, or consider leasing larger, more expensive equipment. Leasing saves you a lot of money upfront, allowing you to try different machines before committing to a purchase. Now, let's get to farming. Attach your cultivator to your tractor and prepare your fields. Once tilled, choose a simple crop like wheat or barley. They grow relatively quickly and offer good early profits. Use your seeder to plant the seeds evenly across the field. After a short growing period, your crops will be ready for harvest. Equip your combine harvester and collect your yield, then sell it for your first earnings. With your initial profits, it's time to expand. Reinvest your earnings into purchasing more land or upgrading your machinery for increased efficiency. Diversify your income by exploring animal husbandry. Chickens or sheep are excellent starting points for a steady revenue stream. You could also venture into forestry for a different kind of challenge. Remember to hire helpers to automate tasks, allowing you to manage multiple operations simultaneously and grow your farming empire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.